Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. How y'all doing today? So we got some new tires on the truck. Got some decent tread on these. These are actually the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner ATs. And I went up one size, the 265/70/17 from a 245 to fit the wheel well a little bit more. They're just a hair taller and a hair wider, not by much. But the best thing about that is that the price went down and the tire size went up. What's really good about these is the fact that they're actually 10 ply tires. And that's what you want, a 10 ply on your truck when you're hauling trailer, heavy weight, okay? And you want a nice little knob on them like that so you can grip the road. I find that these highway tires aren't really so highway. When you get into these like AT tires, with this kind of aggressive tread, they hold a lot better and they do a lot better on the highway. And the noise is not that bad at all, actually. So what's the difference between a 10 ply, 8 ply, and a 6 ply? 6 ply is junk. 8 ply is your LT tire, and a 10 ply is for heavy duty. So, and when you're going down the road like this, your truck is going to stay more stable from side to side when you're hauling your trailer. So that helps with the trailer on the back end, and it helps with water slosh in the tanks. All right, so that helps you out a lot. So go with a 10 ply because it's not that much more money. And these tires here, we've gone with a few different brands, off brands. And the off brands only last about 35,000, and these I've used before and I've got 60 out of them, so it's well worth it. Y'all have a great day.